Today's video is about the top 5 best motherboards. A computer motherboard is a computer system's central hub and backbone, acting as a crucial platform where various components and peripherals connect and communicate. Our printed circuit board houses the central processing unit CPU, memory RAM, and connectors for input devices such as hard drives, optical drives, and graphics cards. Before entering the original review, I would like to request everyone, please subscribe to the channel. Everyone, Gigabyte Z7 Hino 90 Aris Elite X. About this item, Intel LGA 1700 sockets supports 13th and 12th gen Intel Core Series processors, DDR5 compatible for SIM DIMMs with XMP 3.0 memory module support. Trin 16, time to 2 phases, digital VRM solution with 70 power stage, cutting edge thermal design. AP2 Thermal Guard IT fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, PCI ultra durable armor, 6-layer PCB, Action DP SMD 5.0, 4 PCI 4, MSC4 M.2, USB 3.2 Gen 2 TRXT Type C5 for C5, 5.0 easy latch with a quick release and screw design. 2.5 TB LAN Intel Wi-Fi 6A 800 2.11x, top wear ABTEF5 with Aris antenna. Dynamic audio. I consider audiophile WIMA capacitors. Fine-tuning features. RGB Fusion 2.0 supports addressable LED RGB LED strips. Smart Fan 6Q Flash Plus update BIOS without installing CPU, memory, and GPU. Product links are provided in the description. Asus ROG X570 Crosshair VIE Hero. About this item. AMD M4 socket, ready for 2nd and 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors, and up to 2 M2 drives USB 3, 2 Gen Rio, and AMD Stormy to maximize connectivity and speed. Active PH heatsink, M2 aluminum heatsink, and ROG cooling zone. High performance networking, onboard Wi-Fi 6 802.11x with MIMO support 2, 5 gaps Ethernet, and Gigabit Ethernet, both with Asus LandGuard protection and support for Game First V software. Automated system-wide tuning, providing overclocking and cooling profiles tailor-made for your rig. DI-friendly design, pre-mounted eye shield, Asus Safe Slot BIOS, flashback, and premium components for maximum endurance. Product links are provided in the description. ESS ROG Strix B760F. About this item, Intel LGA 1700 sockets, ready for 13th Gen Intel Core processors, the 12th Gen Intel Core, Pentium Gold, and Celeron processors. 601 power stages, ProCool power connectors, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors are all leveraged to support the latest multi-core processors. Weak heat sinks bridged to the power stages with high conductivity thermal pads keep the solution excellent during heavy workloads. High-performance networking, onboard Intel Wi-Fi 6 800 and 2.11x and Intel 2.5G Ethernet with Asus LandGuard. USB 3.2 Gen 2 Case 2 Type-C rear heat port. 7 additional USB 3.2 Gen 2 and Gen 1 ports. USB 3.2 Gen 2 front panel connector PCA 530x16 safe slot. HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4. That's exclusive AI networking and two-way AI noise cancellation to simplify setup and improve performance. Shy slot Q release, M2Q latch, BIOS flashback button, clear CMOS button, and QADU industry. Leading gaming audio, a Core 1080 with Sabatech SW 702 FOV amplifier, DTS sound unbound, and Sonic Studio like that guy. Bundled 60-day AIDA64 extreme trial subscription, an intuitive UEFI BIOS dashboard with integrated MEMT State 86. Product links are provided in the description. Member for Gigabyte by 550. About this item. Supports AMD 3rd Gen Ryzen and 3rd Gen Ryzen with Radeon graphics processors, dual channel non-XCC unbuffered DDR4, 4 DIMMs, 10 3 phases digital twin power design with low arts of MOSFETs. Ultra durable PCI 4.0. Ready X16 slot, dual ultra-fast NVA PCI, Verbal X4 8 core and X4 MAT2 connectors. Product links are provided in the description. The MSI Mag B760. About this item, it supports 12th to 13th Gen Intel Core, Pentium Gold, and Celeron processors for LGA 1700 sockets. Supports DDR5 memory up to 7000 HJ, enhanced power design to power system, dual 8-pin CPU, power connectors, core boost, memory boost. PCI 5.0 slot Lightning Gen for X4 M.2, USB 3.2 Gen 2 E2H2. Premium thermal solution, extended heatsink design, and all-tube shield trouser are built for high-performance systems and non-stop work. Rack link links are provided in the description. Thanks for watching the video till the end.